Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a ticket in Trello, so let's get right into it. Now, tickets are usually for customer support, and you can very easily integrate those tickets into Trello so that they appear in your Trello board whenever somebody, creates a ticket. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new board, and we can start with a template. We can search for templates by clicking Explore Templates, of course. And then we're gonna go ahead and search for templates once this loads up. Now, you just click on Find a Template and click Ticket. And as you can see, you have Simple Ticket Triage and Support Ticket Management. I'll select this one, and I'll just select Use Template. Just create it like so. Keep the cards, keep the template cards, and click Create. And once we're here, as you can see, these are some example tickets that you have. Now, you could integrate other sort of, web apps with Trello if you go to make.com or something and just create a trigger when somebody fills out, for example, a Google form for a ticket, then it appears here. And you can also just manually create them by clicking Add a Card, and then you can just, select a title. For example, I can't sign in. Just click on that, and then you can, of course, set the date whenever that happened. For example, let's say it happened tomorrow. And you just select the date. You can create a label regarding what it is. For example, technical difficulty. Just select create a new label, select it as red, and click create. And as you can see, it has been labeled like so. And yeah, you can also use Google Drive as well under power-ups because most of them are stored in the Google Drive if they are through Google Forms. And you can very easily, as I mentioned, use make.com or whatever site you want to integrate Google Forms with this. So yeah, it is as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.